What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, y'all? What's going on? Hey, y'all. What's up? Welcome or welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, for you guys that don't know. Yeah, I'm still sipping on my little blue drink that I got, y'all. And yes, this is the same shirt from my last video. If this goes out before or after, I don't know when, but yeah, y'all, I'm trying to do a whole bunch of videos because y'all know I'm about to go on vacation and I want to make sure that I have content for you guys. But after this, I'm going to change to another shirt so that y'all won't see me in the same clothes for at least 3 videos, right? Girl, that'd be trifling, huh? Today, guys, it's going to be a quick one. We're unboxing the Glitz Glam box. Y'all know I did a 3-month subscription with them. This is my 2nd month receiving them again. So yeah, guys, if y'all want to see what's in this month's Glitz Glam box, well, bag this month, please keep watching. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite subscription box. That's a good one, guys. Okay, y'all. Hey, y'all. What's going on? Hey, girl. Hey, boy. Hey, whomever is watching. I am so happy today, guys. I'm in a great mood, and I hope that all of this positive energy is bouncing off of me and onto you. Today, we're unboxing the Glitz Glam box, and it was okay last month. This is one of my cheaper subscriptions, is why I like it, because it doesn't cost me a lot each month, but I'm hoping that it's a little better this month than it was last month. The palette in last month was really good though, but I felt the other products was more geared toward like teen, you know, young 20s type of females or males. It wasn't really for my age group, but I get it because, you know, I got all kinds of followers watching me, you know, so I got to unbox for a variety of people. You know what I'm saying? Absolutely. But try not to be my normal crazy self. We're going to get serious now. It's time to unbox. For you guys that do not know, Glitz Glam is a $15 per month beauty subscription. You get a pair of lashes, a glitter product, and like 2 or 3 full-size beauty products for $15 a month, plus $2.99 shipping. So guys, we're about to get this baby cut open because I haven't peeked. I haven't seen any spoilers or anything on this bag, so I don't know what we got this month. Let me take a drink. Let's get this bag open. It's going to be a very quick one today, guys. I love the bag, by the way. It's a beautiful green color. I definitely am getting Ipsy vibes, and I definitely will be using this again for our giveaway when we reach 2,000 subscribers. Y'all better not forget. Y'all know I'm thinking about doing like the giveaways like I did before, like mini giveaways where I pick a variety, where I pick a lot of subscribers. Well, I was supposed to do 5 subscribers, but I ended up doing 7. So I think I might do the same thing once we hit 2,000 subscribers. I'm so happy to see my numbers grow. I'm so happy y'all like my crazy personality. I didn't think anybody was gonna get me. Oh my God, I'm having a hard time with this. Whew, geez Louise, babe, that beat the sweat out of me. All right, y'all, so when we open up the bag, we have these little things here. We got some cards from, yes, Glitters here. And this is the back. I guess this is like, oh, this is the social media stuff on the front. You get 20% off with this card on the back. So y'all screenshot that or write it down so y'all can go and order some stuff. And this, they're having a gift box sale. Shop our collection of gift boxes for all of your holiday glam needs. Have the perfect one for everyone, and it's on the glitzglambox.com. This is the card here, and on the back it has Glitz Glam Box, Glam for all seasons, and it tells me what my box includes as well as the retail prices on the back. And y'all know I'm gonna put it down on the screen and do a grand total towards the end and all of that good stuff. So let's get on into it, boo. And here is the packaging. It says Glitz Glam Box. We don't do basic. All right, okay, I'm seeing something. Okay, let's see. So first step out of the box, we have something from Galactic. I remember this packaging from the box unboxing. Yes, so this is from Galactic and it's in the shade Star Gloss. So it must be a lip gloss, y'all. Let's see. Ooh, this is beautiful. Look at that, guys. That is gorgeous. And we're gonna open it up. Doesn't have a smell. I wonder why they're giving us all of these pink shades all of a sudden. Like, what is going on with that? That's how it looks on my swatched out, guys. We'll put a little bit on my lips. Let's see. Okay, this is very pretty. It's not very pigmented. It's just like a little gloss to give you a little extra something. It's not sticky. It almost dries down kind of immediately, but still look glossy. So yeah, okay, I like this. All right, guys, so let's see how much this retails for. And this is the Star Gloss from Galactic. $18 for this, guys. 18 bucks. Up next, we have something that I'm, a little excited about. And this is from Flower Lashes. And these are what the lashes look like. Now, last month, they sent me some lashes that definitely were not my style. But these right here are definitely my style. They're gorgeous. They're full. They're wispy. But I still may put these in a giveaway for you guys. But they are beautiful, beautiful lashes. And let's see what they retail for. And these are the Flower Lashes Secret Garden Lashes 3D Faux Mink Eyelashes. And these retail for $4.99, guys. Next up, we have from Glitz Glam box. It is their cosmetic glitter, I guess. Let's see. It came packaged in this cute little bag here, which is very cute. And it says Cosmic Glitter. It is for your eye, lip, skin, and nail. This is the shade Cranberry. This is a little card that came with it. And, ooh, this is very pretty. This is the little glitter right here in the shade Cranberry. I will not open this because I don't like loose glitters, guys. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway or give this to my little niece. But yeah, okay. This is a pretty color, though. And this retails for $4.99, guys. It does say on here that it is eye, lip, skin, and nail safe. So, I maybe could use them on my nails, huh? Oh, okay. That would be pretty. We may try that, girl. And last up in this box, guys, we have a palette. And this is from Autumn Nights this is called Autumn Nights from Yas Glitter. And this is a limited edition 12 shadow eyeshadow palette. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. Very, very, very pretty. I'm hoping to find some oranges and some browns and some yellows in this palette when I lift this lid up. Let's see. Oh, okay. It does come with a mirror. And let me see if I can take this up. Okay, they're pretty. And this is the palette, guys. It wasn't what I was expecting, but it is a pleasant surprise. These shades are gorgeous. You have some matte shades and looks like 2, 3, maybe 4 shimmer shades. So we're going to swatch a couple of these, but it's a gorgeous, gorgeous fall palette. It really is. They have cute names. Hayride and Cinnamon, Pine and Timber. They're cute. That's what they look like on my fingers. Ooh, well, they swatch out really nice. And then I'm going to swatch the shimmer shades. And this is what some of those colors look like swatched out. Very pretty, very pigmented. They feel very creamy. So I definitely cannot wait to use this palette here. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous palette. This just made the box for me, guys. And this retails for 24 bucks, guys. So guys, that was my final product in this month's box. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, rate the box, and we'll be done. So we received from Yas Glitters this Autumn Nights palette here, from Flower Lashes, these eyelashes here, from Galactic, this beautiful, beautiful lip gloss here, and last but not least, from Glitz Glam, their own glitter here. 4 products for this month. Final thoughts on this box is, I think that this is a very cute subscription, guys. I actually like this month's box. I love that they're giving us like 12 shadow palettes and a lip gloss and lashes that I can actually use. So that is definitely a plus for me. For just paying $15 plus $2.99 shipping, I think it is a pretty good box for this month. I'm actually liking this box much more than I liked last month's box, or bag, or whatever you want to call it. But I do like this box. So yeah, I would give it a thumbs up for this month, actually. I thought that all of the products were nice. I thought the palette swatched out really good. I thought the lip gloss was really pretty. So yes, guys, I'm going to use 3 of the 4 items. I'm not sure of what I'm going to do with this yet. So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn fire. Every time I say that, I just laugh. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com. You know what I'm saying, girl? We're going to give Glitz Glam, based on the price and the items that I received and that I could use, I'm going to give them a solid 3.5 to 4 for this month, because I actually really liked these 3 products. I've already used lashes from this company, so I know that they're nice. So yeah, guys, I think it's a good box. So we're gonna go to 3.5 to 4 for this month. Please, please, please let me know your thoughts down below on this box. I know a lot of people's not subscribed to this box, but let me know if you are subscribed or if you would think about subscribing. I have no codes to get y'all no money off for this company, so I'm sorry, but I'll put their link down below, guys. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to TonyaNicole, I don't know what the hell you're doing. You must be sleeping or dead. I don't know, but you need to wake the hell up. Go on and press that button and subscribe to your girl. While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up because I know you like it. You know you do. Yes, you do. Don't forget to follow me on social media. Everything is down below, guys. And that is all that I have for today. I told you guys it was going to be a quick one. I was truthful this time. Y'all got y'all drinks? Y'all drinking with me? Yeah. Y'all know it's still my birthday month. I'm still celebrating. So guys, that is all that I have. Until next time and next video, I love you all so much. Make sure you guys stay safe, stay warm, and I will talk to you all in the comments. Love you guys. Bye.